This is a comfort lather catcher from Germany. And this is one of probably the most beautiful safety razors you can ever come across. It's an open comb. It's pretty much a duplicate of the original, I think 1894 style lather catcher. And this is the handle you get. This was a German duplicate of it. So that is in its basic form. Then you take your wedge. This particular one is a star. I haven't done anything with it yet, but it makes sense that it's a star because this was pretty much a carbon copy of that razor. Sorry. The blade goes in. It goes into the stops on either end. Then you take the spring, pull it back. It's a very strong spring. Pull it back, pull it up, and the tension from that spring pushes the blade forward so it stays under its stops. Then you have the stropping handle where it's threaded on both ends, but in opposite. It's not threaded. It's threaded on this end, but it's screwed on the opposite end. It has a male and a female, so you can connect your stropping handle, which I'm not going to put this in right now because I haven't cleaned it out, so I don't know how tight it is, but that's for stropping your blade. But also, get out of the handle, I tell you. Since you have this way, you end up with a much better balanced and long handle. And dare I say, I don't think very many safety razors look better than this one. This is absolutely beautiful. I need to clean this up and hone it. That's the only thing. I don't think it'll be hard. I think it'll be pretty quick going actually, because it is hollow ground. Comfort.